Hi guys, happy Sunday. Absolutely love Sunday. I think it's probably my favourite day of the week. Just like chill, do nothing, relax. Even though I've actually had a very busy day so far. I went to the cinema this morning at 10 a.m. 10 a.m. on a Sunday. It was really good. After the cinema, got home and then I was meant to be going to get my lashes done because I am like in dire need of an infill. But my lash lady has just messaged me saying she's been locked outside of her apartment, so needs to reschedule, so I'm not doing that anymore. Yeah, I was just going to film like get ready with me before I went to my lash appointment. Still going to do get ready with me anyway because I might go to Zara this afternoon. Well, it's already like 3 o'clock, so I think it shuts at 5, so yeah, I'm still gonna do get ready with me, and it's probably just gonna be like my super quick makeup that I do that takes no time. This is what I normally do every day. I don't actually spend much time on it in the morning because I would rather an extra 10 minutes of sleep. But yeah, it was so good, the film I saw this morning. So I went to watch Dune, I think that's how you say June. I don't know how you say it. Dune, not Dune. June, I think, with Zendaya and Timothy Chalamet, and oh my god, it was so good. Like actually amazing. Oh my god, I've just got that all in my like 10 out of 10, and it's quite rare. I feel like that you go to the cinema and you come out and you're like, that film was a 10 out of 10 film, but honestly, so good. So I'm just using the Vitamin C Brightening Eye Gel from Boots. I've been using this now for like a few months, and I don't know whether it makes my eyes brighter or not, but I do like it. Like it does. I feel like it does help with like the texture of under my eye, so I do like it. Also, do you prefer when I've got the ring light on or whether it's just the daylight? So at the moment I've just done daylight because it is quite bright, but let me just put the ring light on the lowest setting and show you what that looks like. That's with the ring light, and that's just daylight. I feel like with just daylight you can see more like my skin, or like just what stuff actually looks like. Then with the ring light, it just definitely makes it makes me look better, basically, the ring light. Just using the Nivea Day Cream. Usually I actually have the Huda Beauty, it's Huda's, the Wishful brand, that, what's it called? It's like the Jelly Honey Balm, like jelly moisturising balm or something, but I use that every day normally, but I put it somewhere. You know when you put something somewhere and you're like, oh, I'll just move it here before I put it to its proper place, and then you're like, where the hell did I put it? Why didn't I just put it in its proper place to begin with? And it would make life so much easier. Also, I went to an IMAX cinema. I've never been to an IMAX cinema before, but oh my god, it's so much better than a normal cinema. Honestly, the screen is like full like size from like the wall to the other wall, like it's all screen. It's basically a wall made of the cinema screen, whereas normal cinema, I feel like it's definitely not like that, and there's like quite a lot of space around the screen to the ceiling and the wall. So if you've not been to an IMAX cinema, I would recommend because it's so much better. I get bored quite easily, so the bigger screen stops me from like, I don't know, normally when I'm in the cinema I'm always like, oh, it gets to like halfway through and I'm like, is it gonna finish yet? And I didn't think that once in this film, honestly. It was so good. It's a bit confusing though, so what I would recommend doing if you watch it is Google it beforehand, because yeah, it's like a bit, like some stuff I didn't realise, so I asked my boyfriend afterwards. I was like, well, why was this happening, or why did they do that, or how did she become this? And then he had to tell me afterwards, because I was like, yeah, there's just loads happening and it's hard to, I don't know, like keep up with all of it, I think. I haven't been to the cinema anywhere near as much as I used to go since it's opened back up again. The last thing I watched was A Quiet Place 2, and oh my god, like the thing before Dune, that was so good. If you haven't seen that, you need to watch it. That and A Quiet Place 1 are honestly amazing, like so good. Oh, concealer, by the way, it's just the Maybelline Instant Eye Eraser Age Rewind concealer. But yeah, what else have I done this weekend? Actually nothing. Yesterday I did like the big room tidy. You know, when it's like, gets to the point where all week you're just like struggling to find anything, like your clothes are just on the floor or they're like shoved in your wardrobe but like as a big mess. Like nothing's in its right place, and for me when my room gets like that, I feel like it really, like I'm gonna have a bad day. If my room is messy and I wake up in a messy room, I'm like, that's it, the day's already bad. So yesterday that is what I did. It was time for the big tidy, and I feel loads better now, but yeah, how boring. But that's fine though. Also, I don't mind Mount Vesuvius in the middle of my forehead. Just what I need for a Monday. I feel like I've got an addiction at the moment to buying stuff online. Like, I keep getting this feeling, I don't know if you get it, where you're like, I need to buy something. I just look on like Misguided or Boohoo and something, and then just spend like 50 quid. And I'm like, what am I buying this stuff that I don't even need? That like, I don't know, it's like stuff I don't even need, but I'm just like, feel like I need to buy something. It's really weird, and I feel like my laptop needs to get like locked so I can't go on it. It's always night time as well. I don't know whether it's just like I'm like bored in an evening, so I'm like, I need to buy something because I need to just like read a book or something, do something different. I'm just using the Coty Airspun loose powder. It's my absolute favourite loose powder. However, I have seen recently like the Huda Beauty powder, and people are using that powder, so I might try that because I do love Huda. I love her product, so yeah, I might test that out and see if it's any good. Also, something I learned recently which has made a big difference to my makeup when I'm doing like not a lot of makeup, so I'm not wearing foundation, is if you're not wearing foundation, always put the loose powder like on your cheek as well, because I didn't used to do that, and then I used to wonder why my bronzer would always be like muddy. And you can imagine if you're just putting bronzer on top of like moisturiser, basically it's obviously gonna go muddy. So yeah, always set your cheeks even if you've not actually put anything like any foundation or anything on them. I would actually get the microblading again, but where I actually want it, which is like here, because having to redraw my eyebrows like this every day, well not every day, I don't do this every day, but like every day that I do my makeup is kind of long. I really need some new music to listen to. I really like R&B, so if you have found anyone new, let me know. Because I'm struggling to find anything, and I hate to say it so much because I love Drake so much, but the new album, I'm sorry, I know people are probably going to be like, what? But it's just not. It's not a bop. It's just not. I'm sorry, it's not. No one's no one's going to a party, right, and being like, oh, play Drake this song off his new album, because they're not good. I'm sorry, I've said it, I hate to say it, Drake, I love you if you ever see this, I'm sorry, but they're just not good. They're not good. So I was really disappointed about that, because normally when his new album comes out, I like listen to it, and like everyone hates me because I will just put like 2 or 3 songs like on a loop and let them just play continuously, like non-stop on for 8 hours a day, every day for a week, and then I'm like, right, I never want to hear that ever again. And then I like won't listen to it for a few months, but there wasn't even one song off his album that I was like, I want to listen to this again, which is very sad. Very sad for me because I love all his albums apart from the latest one. This eyebrow pencil by NYX, the micro brow pencil, is honestly like, thank you Jesus for giving us this and blessing us with this product. It's so good, actually love it. Does your eyebrows very, very quickly. I'm going to use the Misguided Instant Vacay Bronzer. And Misguided still like pushing their makeup products. So confused because I did really like their eyebrow pencil. It's like exactly the same as the NYX one, but it's super easy if like you're buying clothes anyway, it's just like add that to the basket. But I couldn't find it, and I feel like they're not advertising their makeup anywhere, so I don't know what happened, because I actually really loved a lot of their products. Like the eyebrow pencil, the mascara was super good, the foundation was good, the blusher was good, loads of it was really good, so I'm quite surprised that, I don't think they're doing it anymore. I've put way too much of that on my kids. If you ever do that and you put too much product on, just get more of your like translucent powder and you should be able to sort of like brush it away. And then no one will ever know. Question for people, when is it acceptable to put up your Christmas tree? Like, do you think 1st of November is like way too early? Because I am very much for starting Christmas early this year. Last Christmas I was stuck in London and I wasn't able to go to my family's because of everything that was happening, so I'm like, this Christmas I want to go all out. Like, I'd probably put my Christmas tree up now, I'm not gonna lie. If my boyfriend would let me and my flatmates, I would put my Christmas tree up now. Just because why would you not want the best time of the year to like last for longer? Why would you not want that? I don't know. I don't know why you wouldn't. It makes sense, doesn't it, right? If there's a time of year that's really good, let's extend it out for a little bit longer. So yeah, when is it acceptable to put the Christmas tree up? When is it going to be going up in your house? Everyone I've spoken to is like, you cannot put your Christmas tree up on the 1st of November. But I don't really see why. This is just the, what is this? Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. I'm not gonna lie, I did put Christmas songs on last Sunday when I was on my own. So I was like cooking something. I was cooking something like big on Sunday, like meal prep. And I did put on like top 40 Christmas songs. And oh my God, I felt so happy listening to these songs. It was so good. Like, I would definitely recommend it, guys. If you're feeling a bit like, meh, put on the top 40 Christmas songs, because straight away you'll just be like, oh my God, I love my life. It was so good. I was just, loving my life last Sunday. I really want to go, and I might go on Halloween, to Fright Night at Thorpe Park. It looks so good. Who is it that I saw went last year? It might have been like Molly May, that she like posted a video there, and it looked so fun. So I'm thinking about going there on Halloween, but Halloween's on a Sunday and it's sold out on Saturday, so yeah. Need to decide, cause I need to book tickets soon, but I'm not going to like a party or anything this year. Like, I'm not going anywhere, so I feel like that would be a nice thing to do instead of going somewhere. I'm just putting some of that loose powder on my lips. So if your matte lipstick, or if you've got a lip cream and it's not matte, and you want it to be matte, just put some loose powder on it, because it will make it like fully matte. Yeah, I think I'm done with makeup now. I don't know whether I'm going to go to Zara or not. I feel like if I go there, I want to go to like just go, basically. I just want to go and see what's in there, but I don't really want to buy anything else this week, because I've already had 3. Like, I've had something from Boohoo, something from Misguided, and something from Amazon. Well, like a few things I've ordered off Amazon, so I'm like, nothing more this week, you're done. So maybe I will go to Zara, or maybe I won't, I don't know, I'll see. But if not, I might just go into Tesco or Asda and get a bottle of red wine, and have a glass of wine and watch a film or something. But yeah, it's actually still early. It's not that early actually, it's 4:20. But yeah, I hope you're all having a lovely Sunday. And if you haven't watched Dune yet, go and watch it. It's like the best film I've seen in a very long time. 10 out of 10. When do you give films 10 out of 10? When? Literally never. But I hope you all have a lovely, relaxing Sunday. And yeah, I will be posting a clothing haul probably like similar time next week. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video.